Hello and welcome, I am Morybest. In this video, we'll learn how to backup from Unity project using Visual Studio. Let's see together. At first, we need to sign in to github.com. If you don't have an account on GitHub, sign up first. Of course, you can use any type of Git websites for this reason. Now we need to copy this config file to your project. You can get it from the description. Now open Visual Studio, go to the Create Git window, and we just need to take a name and description for the project and push it to GitHub. Let's finish it. After the first upload, if you have any changes, it's easy to update your backup by following this procedure. Thanks for watching this video. If this video was useful for you, please subscribe. It will help me and support me to create more videos.